So Rupa Goswami gives several quotes in this chapter from Padma Puran, Skanda Puran, Haribhakti, by quoting Skanda Puran, Padma Puran, and other Puran, that one can attain perfection in bhakti. And this perfection is open to all people equally, regardless of their birth. Now under the category of purity. Although a major prerequisite for other process of self-realization, purity is not a factor in determining our eligibility to perform bhakti. Now that like Gyan Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga, you must have a pure asan, and your body you must have bathed, and wear a pure, clean cloth, and you must purify all your thoughts so you can meditate on Om. And there's lots of purity required. But in Bhakti Yoga, you can be clean clothes or unclean clothes, or clean body or unclean body, or a clean mind or unclean mind. You just begin the process of bhakti by chanting and hearing and chanting Krishna's name in any position, in any state, and automatically it takes effect.